In large engineering projects, teams often rely on spreadsheets, scattered emails, and inconsistent documentation to manage critical tasks and communication. This leads to confusion, missed responsibilities, and limited visibility across stakeholders. Nexera Engineering, collaborating with Green Current Energy, faced similar challenges on their renewable expansion project. They needed a centralized solution to improve collaboration, accountability, and information traceability. That's when they turned to Intertwined Nexus and adopted the ITN Hub. Elena Morrison from Nexera Engineering reached out to Intertwined Nexus to onboard her organization to ITN Hub. The ITN admin created Nexera's organization and granted Elena admin access, giving her full control within the platform. Elena added 15 users from Nexera and Green Current Energy collaborating on a renewable energy project. With full admin rights, she defined custom roles to delegate specific responsibilities across the team. Elena created discussion board templates tailored to their engineering workflows. Templates capture structured field-level data like dates, users, severity, and observations. The Site Inspection Observations board allows recording of QA issues during execution. Daniel Walker, Nexera's project manager, set up the WF2 Renewable Expansion project in collaboration with Green Current Energy. Team members from both companies were assigned roles within the project, ensuring secure access and clear responsibilities. She also defined visual layouts to standardize how forms appear for all users. One such record highlights a cracked panel near the inverter box. Each update is automatically tracked in the record's revision history. The system allows visual comparison of changes made across revisions, ensuring full transparency. Thank you for taking the time to explore this case study. If you'd like to get hands-on with the demo organization and see the features in action, or if you're ready to onboard your own organization, just reach out to us at support@intertwinednexus.com. We'd be happy to help you get started. Thanks again for listening.